Hey girls, what's up and welcome back to Makeup Monday. I'm so excited. My skin, a little bit more pale, I'm pretty sure, than my actual skin, but what can you do about it? I really hope that you do enjoy this tutorial and I really hope it's helpful in your everyday life. So if you want to know how to get this look on your face, just keep on watching. Okay, so these are my two foundations that I mixed together. This is the LA Girl Pro Coverage in white, while this is the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation in 12 Ivory. I made it a bit too light, but you know, that's the struggle of life sometimes. But I'm also really pale, so I bet I can like pull it off. Whenever I used to see my sister doing her makeup, I'd always like think every single step was like how people used to put like lines and dots all over their face, which like really there's only a few steps like that, and I think I was a little crazy back then. To blend this in, I'm going to use the 110 Fenty Beauty Foundation brush. Now we blend in, we blend in, we blend in, blend in. So this is my foundation right now. I'm looking really pale and I definitely did, I mean it's a bit too light. If it was a normal like regular day that I'm going to school, I would definitely bring it down to my neck, but I ran out of all of it on my palette and I don't really feel like making more. I'm going to take my beloved Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral and I'm just going to put that under the eyes, right here, down my nose, up my lip, and on my chin. Okay, so now that I have my concealer all done, we're just going to move on to setting it with some powder. Okay, so now that I'm done with setting my face, we're just going to put on some blush. My Z palette of my favorite things, which for the blush would be the Tarte Amazonian Clay with the shade Craving. I'm just going to put a bit on my nose just because I'm not going to put any bronzer on, so I just want myself to look a little bit more awake and a little bit less full coverage, even though that we love full coverage. We want that full coverage, honey. Next, what I would do is just fill in my eyebrows with Ulta Brow Tint in the shade Blonde. Okay, so now that that's done, we're just going to add some mascara, and most of the time that's just all that I do for my eyes, but if my eyes are looking a little blank, then I will add some just like contouring to the crease of my eyes. A tip to put your mascara on, even though most people probably know this, so when you're closing down on your eye, just kind of move your brush like back and forth like that. So now that my lips aren't the same color as my skin, I'll either put on my Urban Decay lipstick in the color Snitch, which I really do not love this lipstick. I don't really think that it's pigmented and like it's not very buildable either, so I usually don't use this any other time than right now. It like when I'm getting ready for school, because it really just melts on really nicely, but I don't like the pigment of it, so that's why I don't wear it any other time. So this is my everyday makeup look for school. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and give it a thumbs down if you didn't, but please don't, because I'm trying to grow as a YouTuber and as a makeup artist, you could say, on my Instagram, which is @makeupbylibrian. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, the Illuminati is always confirmed, and bye!